Hello, this is Hemant here. What you see here is the Eclipse workbench. What we're going to do now is going to create a very simple Java program using Eclipse and execute it. First, click on File, New, Java Project. Give a name to the project. So let's give it first, or just the Hello World. If you look at the screen properly, it says use the execution environment JRE Java SE 1.7. So we are using 1.7 or JRE 7. Okay. And click finish. It will create the project files for us. So here in the package explorer, we can see the Hello World project that we have created, and we can see the source folder and the JRE system library getting added to the project. So in the source, we want to create a Java file, a class file. Right click and say new. We can take two approaches here, create a Java file or create a class. Let's just create a class. I'll tell you the advantages of using this approach a little later. So create a class first. Here, let's give us the name of the class. It's Hello World. And there is an option here, which method stubs would you like to create? Click on public static void main. It will create the public static void main for you and click. Now as you see, here we have a class named Hello World, and then inside there is a public static void main created. Now we have to observe one thing here. This class name is exactly the same as the file name, helloworld.java. So if you have a different class name, let's say Hello World 1, it will give you an error. Now if you look at this, public type Hello World 1 must be defined in its own file. So the name of the file and the name of the class are different. Now it looks silly here, but lots of errors are because of these silly mistakes that we do. Now, as part of our first program, let us execute a very simple print statement which prints Hello World. So in Eclipse, executing the program is very simple. Press the run green button here. Click Java application and press OK. It will ask you to save the resource file. Click OK again. You can look here in the console, you have a Hello World printed. So this is our first program. What we've done here is learned how to create a project and create a class inside a project, and how to execute a very simple Hello World program. So that's it for the first program.